Hello and welcome. Now, you are now looking at Amazon Prime Video Direct. And Prime Video Direct is a platform designed to help content creators reach their targeted audience on the Amazon website. And while Amazon is known primarily for consumer goods as well as consumer video, you can also find targeted business content. For example, if you were to go to Amazon.com and you were to type in the words WordPress membership, as you can see, and then you click the search button, what you'd find at the very top in the first result is you'd see an Amazon Prime Video. So to introduce this concept, let's click inside of this result. What you'll notice is that an individual with a Prime account can watch the video for free, or an individual without the Prime account can watch the video with advertising. That person also has the opportunity to purchase the video. And the creator can add multiple videos to this title. And for their activity, those who create videos and upload them to Amazon are paid royalties for those who watch their videos. Now in this course, we will review the policy guidelines when it comes to content because they'll be very important to your being able to upload titles that will be of interest while yet maintaining consistent production. So in the next video, we'll start the process by looking at the royalty information so that you can determine how you want to create videos and how consistently you want to maintain them on the Amazon Video Direct platform. We'll then walk through the account setup process. We'll then go over the minimum equipment necessary in order to start creating videos. We'll then very quickly determine whether or not there are titles in your chosen market or niche for information. We will then work through the content creation process. So with that, we're now ready to get started working with Amazon Video Direct. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.